back, nurses and future nurses, to Dosage Cow with Nurse A. So I have some more dosage for you. The doctor ordered dopamine 2 micrograms per kilogram per minute. The patient weighs 20 kilograms. What we have available from pharmacy is 200 milligrams in 250 milliliters D5W. What is the mLs per hour? So the first thing we're going to start off with is we have to identify what this problem is asking. And it's asking us for mLs over hour. So we're going to write simply mLs over hour. I want to go ahead and box this because at the end of this problem, I need to be left with mLs on top and hours on the bottom. So let's go ahead. If the numerator is mLs, then we have to start with mLs. All right, so in our problem, we have 250 mLs. All right, so so they go together. So 200 milligrams is in this bag. This is what they're trying to say. This is a bag that is dopamine, right? In this bag of dopamine, this is a 250 milliliter, because liters is volume. So that's how much volume is in the bag. And then we have 200 milligrams. So they must have mixed some meds in there that made it 200 milligrams is in this 250 milliliters. All right. So because we have milligrams on the bottom, we need to have milligrams on top. I want you to get in the habit of always putting your units before you start doing anything else. So what we have here is we know we need to have milligrams. In our problem, do we have any milligrams? No, we don't. We have micrograms, okay? So we know that we have to do some form of conversion. And that conversion is 1 milligram equals to 1,000 micrograms. And how do I know this? Well, you need to get in a rhythm of always writing down your conversions every single day so that it becomes just like this to you. So 1 milligram equals to 1,000 micrograms. All right. Now we have micrograms on the bottom, so I need to have micrograms on top. And that is 2 micrograms, but you can't forget what's beside it. It's kilogram per minute. All right. After that, we know we need to start crossing out some things. So we have kilograms on the bottom here, so I know we need kilograms on top. Now, it doesn't matter if you would have looked for the minutes first or the kilograms, but somehow we have to cross off. We have to cross them out, all right? So let's start off with the kilograms. Because kilograms is here, I need kilograms on top. And we have the patient weighing 20 kilograms. Is there anything behind this? Just like how we have something behind this 2 micrograms? No, there's nothing behind it. So you can simply just put a 1, all right? Now we need to do our minutes. We have minutes on the bottom, so we know we need minutes on top. And in our problem here, we know that 60 minutes equals to 1 hour, all right? Now let's start to cross out minutes with minutes, kilograms with kilograms, and you can only cross out diagonally, all right? Micrograms with micrograms, milligrams with milligrams. Now we're left with milliliters on top. That's the only thing that we have left on top, milliliters. On the bottom, we need to have hours. So let's see what we have left. We only have hours left. So that lets us know that we are now safe to solve our problem. The next step after that is we're going to multiply 250 times 1 times 2 times 20 times 60, which will give us a total of 600. All right. So that's 5 zeros up there, 600,000. Then we multiply 200 times 1,000. If there's nothing in front of this, it's just simply 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. All right. So that's going to give us 200,000. All right. When we put this into the calculator, you're going to get a total of 3 milliliters per hour. All right. So this is what you would program in the pump, 3 milliliters per hour, based off of the patient's weight and how much volume. This is what we're going to be putting into the pump, 3 milliliters per hour. If you like this video, please comment, subscribe, and follow for more.